Hi, good to see you. I'm Zilberштейн, somatic therapist, and I want to invite you to do a somatic practice together. It's a short practice in 5 minutes that will help you if you sit a lot at the computer and you want to feel that your spine is straight and flexible and that your rib cage is open. So please join me for this practice. So interlace your hands like that, like a self-hug, and start to move your shoulders and your head from side to side in the easy range, just as it feels easy and comfortable. Okay, and now find the spot in front of your eyes and keep your head straight and move your shoulders from side to side, keeping your head at the same place. And now you move your shoulders one side and the head another side, from side to side, feeling into your spine, into your neck, into your chest. And now move your shoulders and your head together and notice if the range of motion has changed. Okay, now rest a little bit. Now change your hands. Another hand is on top, and start to move one shoulder down and then the other shoulder down, and feel the movement in the rib cage, in the spine, how your spine is moving from side to side. And also lift one sit bone and then lift the other sit bone, so that your rib cage is like accordion. One side is closing, another side is opening. Okay, rest a little. Again, hug yourself. And now start to move your elbows upwards and your head and your gaze upwards and then downwards. And shift the weight on the sitting bones forward and backwards. And extend your spine and your back. And flex your back and flex your spine. And again, extend and look upwards and flex your spine and look downwards. And stop in the middle and rest. Feel the position of your sitting bones, of your chest, of your head. Again, hug yourself. And now start to do the circles, moving to the left and then upwards, extend your back, and then to the right, and then go down and move in circles in one direction and then in the other direction. Feel your back, feel your chest. Look around with your eyes, move your eyes. Okay, and now stop. Little pause. Hug yourself the last time for today and just check if you go easier to one side, if you go further to the other side. Check what has changed. Come to the middle, relax. Sense your body, feel what has changed. Thank you for your attention, and if you would like to continue and to explore the gentle movements and to feel better, you could join my online classes. Please, there is a link below in the description. I will be happy to see you. Bye.